The first time you use the gimbal. The first time you use the gimbal, please be sure to charge in advance. When charging, the yellow indicator will flash. Unlock it before turning on tilt axis, pan axis, and roll axis lock. Long press the power button to turn it on. One more long press the power button to turn it off. Before the first startup, please click Motor Auto Tune button for 5 seconds until you hear beep long ring to start the motor power adaptation. Strong vibration of the gimbal at this point is normal. Wait a moment, the long beep sound ring again and the vibration ends. Now it's ready to use. Thanks for watching.